So you're here today to find out how to create those little personalised gifts for your Instagram account. You're in the right place. I'm Emily from Yellow Tuxedo, and today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Of course, if you like this video, please do give us a little thumbs up. It is always appreciated, and we do a little happy dance. And subscribe to our channel for regular updates on how you can improve your own digital visibility. So here at Yellow Tuxedo, we always talk about answering the questions your clients and customers are already asking you. And we have been inundated with people asking us, Emily, Alan, how do you do those little personalised Yellow Tuxedo stickers on our Instagram account? And we thought it'd be a really good way of showing you today exactly how you can do that for yourself. They're a great way of increasing your brand awareness, getting a little bit of fun into your Instagram stories and posts, and a really good way of engaging with your audience. So let's get started showing you exactly the correct steps that you need to take to get your stickers onto Instagram. Okay, so I've got started. I've got a very short 5 to 6 second clip off of my iPhone. It's nothing particularly fancy, but as you'll see, it has got a very plain background, nothing too cluttered behind me, because don't forget, we're going to remove this background. You'll also notice that the movements I am making, although I'm making movement, they're nothing too jolty. It's very simple, subtle movements that will show up on the sticker. If you look on the right hand side of the screen as well, you'll see that I've renamed the file. So it doesn't say 123.move, it says Emily Braithwaite, Yellow Tuxedo, love it as the file name, because quite frankly, that's just good practice in terms of any kind of SEO. Anytime you're saving a file, be it a photo or a movie, we want to use the correctly named files. So once we have our video file, we're going to head over to a website called Unscreen. Now, Unscreen has both a free version and a premium version, which I'll talk a little bit about in a minute. But literally, it's going to allow you to upload your clip, and it's going to do all of the hard work for you. No worries about green screens or any fancy recording equipment at home. It's going to take that hard work out for you and remove your background for you whilst you wait and smile and drink a cup of tea maybe. Once it's uploaded, it's going to take that file, it's going to do it for you, and it's going to save it back onto your desktop or your camera roll, depending on what device you're using. Now, as we wait for this to render right now, a couple of things to think about. Yes, this is a free version. It's by no means perfect, but for the size and scale of the stickers you're creating for Instagram, this is more than fine for what you need. If you want to go a little bit further with that, the premium version allows a slightly better quality there. You can do a certain amount per month in terms of upload for that, and you get a slightly better quality video for your stickers if you're looking to up-level your stickers. But for what we need right now, the free version is absolutely fine. And there we are. The file sits on your desktop ready for you to use the next stage. Go to the next stage. Then we're going to head over to Giphy. Now, Giphy is the library on the internet for all of the GIFs that are all around the world. What we're going to do, we're going to create you a profile. If you haven't yet got a Giphy account, set yourself one up. You can brand it as per your brand logos and your About Us sections, much like any other social media platform that you're using. Don't forget, this is a searchable place for people to find your brand and get to know you. All of your current stickers and GIFs will sit there in your own library on your profile. Make sure when you do set this up, you create a brand account. That's super important. Then we're going to upload your GIF, the one you've created from Unscreen, that's saved on your desktop. Choose your file and upload it to Giphy. There it is. So all you're going to do now is fill out all the data to the right of that screen. You're going to put a source URL there, put your website there, drive the traffic back to your website when you can. You also have the opportunity to put tags there. So how are people going to search and find this particular GIF? So we're going to put Yellow Tuxedo. That's our brand name. We want people to be searching for our brand name. We're going to put yellow there. We're going to put digital visibility. We're going to put all of the things that are relevant to what we are talking about in this GIF, and we're going to make it there so it's searchable. And then you can rate it as making sure it's PG or X-rated. We're quite simple here. We're going to go with the G rating on this because we are all very family friendly here at Yellow Tuxedo. Now, to enable yourself to be found on Instagram, you will need to verify your account on Giphy if you haven't yet done so. In order to verify your account, to hit the button to be verified, you will need to upload at least 5 stickers or GIFs up to Giphy before they will do that. So upload those first 5. It may take 4 to 5 days for your Giphy account to finally be verified, but once you are done, once you are verified, your stickers will be searchable on Instagram. Again, it's not always quite instantaneous. They won't be straight away like some stickers are. But within an hour or so of uploading your GIF to Giphy, you should there have your stickers ready to be used in all of your Instagram stories to play with and have fun with your brand. And whilst I have you here on our Giphy account right now, I want to explain to you why this is so super powerful in terms of your overall online presence. You'll see our account here and you can obviously fill it out with all your details there. But what you can also start to see is how many people are searching for your gifts on Giphy right now. We've only got 19 stickers and gifts right now. But as you can see, we have 134,000 people viewing our top sticker right now without any particular effort at all. This is another way that people get to access and understand who you are and what your business does. So do set yourself up a Giphy account. It will be time well spent, I promise you. And that's as simple as it is. It really is that simple when you know how. Now, we would absolutely love to see you giving this a go, so do be sure to tag Yellow Tuxedo in any of your Instagram stories when you use your gifts. We'd love to share them out. Well done, everyone. You're going to smash this. We'll see you next time for another digital visibility video coming here from Yellow Tuxedo. Bye.